Yeah man, so you know, so this is the octopus we are going to scald it. You know what I mean? Octopus, few of them in the pot. This is the water that we're going to use to make the octopus punch as well. So we're going to steam down some octopus in some coconut milk. And we're going to use this water here, that's, you see this red water here, to make some punch. Yeah, so you know, say the octopus them that out of the water. You know what I mean? After finish being scalded, you take them out of the water. Now, this is the water that is going to use to make the octopus sponge. See it's red? Yeah man, that's how we deal with it. So you know, this is the coconut milk I go and blend up. I go blend it up and put it down in the fridge. You know what I mean? In the meantime. Yeah. So you know the thing go. Soon get back to it. Yeah, so you know, so the coconut milk we are dealing with now. Yep. So we are going to juice it from the blender to the strainer. And we squeeze it out. See? So the thing come down. Yeah, so people, see the coconut milk, the amount I get out of the little coconut. So that's it. So we are going to use that to cook down the octopus when it almost finished cooking. So that's it. Alright, so here we go. What I'm about to do is I'm gonna get a knife now and slice these octopus up. It's just me here, so no one to hold the camera, so I'm gonna have to take it away from it and just go ahead and go slice them up. I'll bring it back to you when I'm finished. Yes, so you know, finished cutting up the octopus. Now this is what it looks like. This is all of the octopus that I had in the plate. Now this is what it looks like. You can cut them to whatever size you like. You know what I mean? I just chose to cut them in these small sizes. You know what I mean? Bite size. Yeah. So that's it. Yep. Alright, before I start look about the octopus, I'm going to do the juice so it can go and cool in the freezer or something like that. So remember the octopus water, the water we use called the octopus, it is right here. We have carrot juice, we got Irish mash, we got some condensed milk, we got some vanilla, we got some ground cinnamon, and we got a nutmeg. So the only thing that's missing right now is a dragon, but no alcohol today. Alright, so that's it. So we are going to throw out everything and mix up everything and give you an octopus punch. See, it's not normal. No sir, nobody now get pregnant, don't worry. Right, so here goes. Carrot juice. Yeah man, I know how I do it. We go Irish mash. Well, thick up. Feedback, you know. Yeah, this is a male juice. Yeah man, female can drink it too. Now make nothing waste, flash out everything. So now we are going to put the octopus scalded water. So you don't know, depending upon the amount of juice you make, you add the condensed milk to taste, the amount to taste, alright? So here goes. Voila. So after finish adding the condensed milk, we are going to stir it around, make sure it's sweet, taste it if it's sweet, and then you know the thing, we go and add the rest of stuff, like we add the vanilla, we add the cinnamon and the nutmeg. You can also, you know what I mean, drop a splash of white rum in it, alright? Yep. So you know with the condensed milk added, even the color change now. Yep. Go and watch what I go on. I eat the cinnamon. So I'm going to taste it now, see if it needs more or if it's sweet enough. So, you know, I have no nutmeg powder, so I going to use some freshly grated nutmeg, alright? So, about to go grate that now and add that to that, okay? Alright, so this is the amount of nutmeg I'm going to use. Yeah, man. Flavorful. Look, I keep a little bit too much flavor. So, ground cinnamon. Yep. I mean, that's nice if you blend out, you know. Probably put it back in the blender just to get a little flavor. Alright. That's that. Yeah, one on me, I have to pull this up. Alright, I have to put on the phone for a minute. Don't you just love the smell of vanilla? So I'm gonna add some vanilla to this now. That's good. No more. And then I'm gonna give this a stir. Give this a stir. Only the cinnamon go kinda. So I might have to put in a blender to make sure it's mix right out. But I eat that, you know. Yeah, I eat that. So might just put it in the blender as I tell you now to make it mix right out. Because normally in my blender I do this. You understand? But because it's a good amount, can't hold on the blender, so small blender. So try scoop off all of this right now, put it in the blender with some of the juice. And really that's it. So that's the octopus sponge. Later on when dinner serving time you will see what go on. Yeah man, after the spices are added, as I'm telling them, I blend it up. Look, you don't find the lot of cinnamon powders on top. You know what I mean? Because it's cold, so when the cinnamon powder added, you know what I mean, it dissolves so easy, so I just blend it out. Alright? So that's it, you know. Octopus sponge. Yeah, with some carrot juice and Irish mash. That's it. Alright, remember the octopus. People, I forgot to tell you now. Remember to get the octopus beaten before it's scalded. Because when you beat it, you know, it tenderizes, cook easier. See? So, this octopus was beaten and then scalded. And you know, I already used the water that was used to scald it. I already made some juice with that. Alright? So, now we have all the seasoning or the vegetables that I will be using. Now, it all depends on what I have and where I'm at. Alright? So, we have the thyme, we have the escallion, otherwise known as the green onions, we have onions, nice sized carrot, we have some garlic, we have some sweet pepper, bell pepper as you would call it, we have a piece of ginger. I'm going to grate the ginger. We have some pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. You know what I mean? Normally I would have used cayenne pepper. We have some okra. And we have a nice size Irish potato. Now what the Irish potato does is give it body. Alright? And remember we have the coconut milk that was already, the coconut was already juiced and it's in the fridge. Now I don't normally use this type of seasoning, but as I said, it's what you have, you're gonna use. I don't use curry. I normally use turmeric. I don't use regular curry. I normally use turmeric. You know what I mean? Because the healthier the better, right? But we have some curry we are going to use because it's a curry style. And we are going to use some meat seasoning. Normally we don't use powder seasoning or anything. But as I tell you, depending on where we're at and what we have. So that's how it is, alright? Because if I had other vegetables as well, I would have used it. Alright? So stay tuned. Alright people. So we've already added a little bit of oil in this frying pot right here. As you can see, not much oil, but we have some oil, and depending on the amount that you're doing. Now as I tell you, I use curry powder, which I don't normally use. I use turmeric. So based off of that reason, I'm going to burn the curry. Alright? Yep. So we add it to the oil. If you want to know what I mean by burn the curry. Whatever, you know. I don't think I need more than that. Because I lightly curry, we don't want to do it too heavy. So we have that burn for a little bit, then we're going to go ahead and add the octopus to that. Alright, so make it go and burn for a few, don't have the fire too high, you know what I mean, little below medium. Octopus to the oil with the curry. Now we are going to stir it around a bit. We are going to stir it around a bit so the curry can go all over it. Remember, it's lightly curried, we now kill it, so we never put none of the curry on the octopus because the curry and it's not turmeric, so I like to burn my curry in the oil. After the curry was burnt, I add the octopus. Now I stir it around a bit, and as I said, I put it on low flames and cover it because I don't want it fry. Now we are fry the octopus, alright? So we cover it a bit. Now in the meantime, cover back that, I go on cut up the seasoning, so I eat that right now. Yeah, so while you weren't looking, I stir the pot a few times. So what I going to do now, this is my seasoning, so you know, I dice up my Irish potato. As I said, I go give the food body. My garlic mince, my ginger grated, my escallion or my green onion diced as well, sweet pepper, bell pepper cut up, onion cut up, carrot cut up. So first, right now, I go add the garlic and the ginger, start give it some flavor. Then I go ahead and add my Irish potato and carrot. Then everything else come after. Okra will be going in last. This will be the thyme will be going in with the escallion, otherwise called green onion, and pepper can go in anytime. But right now, garlic and ginger. So this is my garlic, give it some flavor. Ginger, give it some flavor. Now my garlic added. So the next time I cover the pot and open it, full of flavor, aroma. You know what I mean? So I'm going to stir it around now, cover it back down for 5 minutes, then I add my carrot and Irish potato. Alright, so I've already added the carrot and the Irish potato and stir it around a bit. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn up the stove. Turn up the stove. Yes. And then I'm going to add a little bit of water, because remember, you know, the octopus was already being cooked from I was boiling it or scalding it. So I'm going to add a little water now. Not much, because we have the coconut milk for we added. I might even have to transfer it from the pot, because the pot is kind of small. And the onion is not yet added, scallion is not yet added, sweet. So as I tell you, pepper was added. I went ahead and switch over the pot because the first pot was a bit small. Add half cup of water. I wait for the Irish to cook. Now what we are going to do, when the Irish they cook now, we are going to mash out, use a fork or a spoon or something and mash the Irish. Crush the Irish so it develop that body that I'm talking about. See, because we don't want the cook for too long and I wait for the Irish to mash out while we are stirring. So we kind of mash out the Irish, but it's not ready yet. So when the Irish ready, we just mash it out a bit. See? Crush it a bit in the pot. So that's that. My battery kind of low, so no light and thing. I've been have to charge my battery every time I stop talk. So that is that. As I say, we have a few more seasoning to be added. We have the escallion, which is called green onion. We have the sweet pepper, bell pepper. We have the onions, thyme, and the okra. And the okra is going to be added last when I'm adding the coconut milk that was already squeezed and is in the fridge. So that's that. Alright, so remember now, people, as the smaller you cut the Irish potato, the faster the Irish potato cook. Now we use a fork to mash out the Irish potato in the pot. See that? Look at that. That's giving it the body that it needs. See? Look. Look. Alright, see that? Stir it around. Now, you don't have to mash out all of the Irish potato, you know. You just have to mash out some so it gives it some body. And you don't know Jamaican cooking, but that's why when we cook curry chicken and all of them something there, we put with Irish potato, thick it up. We don't use flour. No, we don't use flour to add body. And we don't use starch to add body. We add Irish potato. Although Irish potato have starch in it, I guess, but Irish potato is what we use, alright? So, I'm going to go ahead right now. And remember, after you add the coconut milk, you can also taste it, see if it needs a bit of salt. So remember, you cook to your suit and your taste. So I'm going to go ahead now and add the rest of seasoning, which is everything right here. Green onion, bell pepper, everything. So now go ahead, give it a stir. Soon add in the coconut milk in. You understand? Yes. Soon add in the coconut. I may want to hold the camera so you know it will kind of a big hectic. I'm not used to this side first. And people always ask if I'm a chef. No, I'm not a chef. Cooking is just my passion, alright? Yeah. I like different things. I don't like cook regular something. Remember sea cat, octopus. Jamaica is an island, so you know them thing they're island food. So we have everything now in the pot except for the okra and the coconut milk. So we make them here go and cook down before we add the coconut milk and the okra. So I go ahead and cut the okra up to the size I want it to be. Alright? So see you in a bit. Alright now, so you know what I mean, that it's been added. Me check the bottom of the pot, me see a little tip of gravy in there. I'm going to go ahead now and add the okra when I just cut up. This is how I cut up my okra. You cut up your okra however you want, in whichever size you feel comfortable. Alright. I remember me say it's a man food this, you know. Alright, so ladies, if your man not fire, I'm going to cook some of them food again. And all I want to get no kids yet. When you eat them food, you get a triplet, twin. Alright, so the okra has been added. Let me stir it a bit. One of me I use, man. Oh my god. And remember people, I'm not really used to this recording and cook and rare. I cook all fast, so I'm not doing this, but two people always ask about the menu, so I do it for them. You know what I mean? Yeah, so that is that. Now remember the coconut milk? Right here. 100% fresh coconut. You understand? Coconut milk. Now, if you feel like using coconut powder, you can. If you feel like using coconut milk in the can or whatever, you can. Do what makes you comfortable. But me, I like coconut, real coconut. The Jamaican made, so there is no way I'm going to use fresh coconut. So blend up my coconut or my grate my coconut, whichever way I choose, but I blended this one. So now go add the coconut milk and then put the stove on medium and make it simmer till it finish. And I go taste it to see if it wants salt. If it needs salt, I go add a little bit. Alright. Watch the coconut milk in that, you know. Watch the coconut milk in that. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Let me turn up the stove right now for you. Oh, the stove turn up, so I'm going to turn it down. Just to go make it alright. Based off the coconut milk was in the fridge and it cold. I'm going to leave the stove, make it stay up, make it stay turn up until it start boiling. So yeah, my people, you know the thing go. Had a little bit of salt, coconut milk, everything in there. So now, just go turn it up, cover the pot, make it go and simmer. That's it really, you know. I mean, so I think the next time we are going to show you it, when it is being served. And also remember, the okra help to give it body. The okra go help pick up the pot. See? Just like the Irish. So next time I show you it, when it's served on the plate, alright? Bless upon yourself. Oh, people might want to know how to do it though. I'm going to show you how to do this now. Leather Belt General Doc Gallingo. Don't know the thing go out and about in the kitchen right now. Go and do it. You don't know curry octopus in coconut milk, and we have some Irish potato. I go and boil to make some mashed potato. But I never show you that part there because everybody already know how to do mashed potato. You cook the potato till it's soft, add your butter, add whatever you want to add to it, whatever it is. You know?